Hello everyone, let's dive into the Lian O11D EVO RGB Automobili Lambo edition. This case is a collaboration that brings together the sleek design of Lian Li's O11D EVO and the iconic style of Lamborghini. First impressions are strong. The case boasts a striking black finish with carbon fiber accents, immediately catching the eye. It's not just about looks though. This mid-tower case supports EATX motherboards, offering plenty of room for high-end components. Builders will appreciate the flexibility for various builds, from gaming powerhouses to content creation workstations. The O11D EVO RGB Lambo edition features Lian Li's signature dual-chamber design, separating the motherboard and primary components from the power supply and storage drives. This layout improves airflow and makes cable management a breeze. The rear-mounted power supply design further contributes to a clean and organized interior. The RGB lighting is tastefully implemented, enhancing the case's aesthetics without being overbearing. The front panel features a subtle Lamborghini logo that illuminates, adding a touch of exclusivity. The tempered glass side panels provide a clear view of the internal components, allowing you to showcase your build. At 42.2 pounds, this case is substantial, reflecting its robust construction and premium materials. The dimensions, 22 inches deep, 15.9 inches wide, and 25 inches high, provide ample space for components while remaining manageable for most setups. The O11D EVO RGB Lambo edition is more than just a pretty face. It offers excellent cooling potential, with support for multiple radiators and fans. The spacious interior and well-thought-out design make it easy to build and maintain a high-performance system. This case is a statement piece for those who want to showcase their hardware and style. The collaboration with Automobili Lamborghini elevates the O11D EVO to a new level of exclusivity and visual appeal. If you're looking for a premium case that combines aesthetics, functionality, and ease of use, the Lian Li O11D EVO RGB Automobili Lambo edition is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.